Hello, good afternoon. My name is Pritam Ahluwalia. And today we are going to talk about Ielts, International English Language Testing System. This program is meant for the students who are willing to go outside India and do higher studies. But it doesn't mean that only those students have to take this program. Actually, this program is for all. Students who are going for, say, Indian universities and for other vocational courses can also opt for IELTS. This program is based on 4 skills. The 4 skills, linguistic skills. Say, number 1, it is listening. Number 2, it is speaking. Number 3, reading. And number 4, writing. Now understand one by one. A little child, a newborn, what does it do? The child only listens. And after some time, the moment, it grows up, the child starts speaking. Speaking in sense, uttering some words. And you must have noticed a Tamilian child is speaking in Tamil because he or she is listening Tamil. In North India, we are speaking Hindi, so our children are speaking Hindi. Same way, in English-speaking countries, their children are listening English and they are speaking English. So listening is number 1, speaking is number 2. And after speaking, now reading. Reading is number 3. And ultimately, this is writing. Now, understand it like this. Our listening skills and reading skills are receptive skills. We receive something. Somebody speaks, we listen. Somebody writes or has written, and we are reading. So, listening and reading are receptive. Productive, speaking and writing. You listen and then you speak. You read and then you write. So the whole life goes like this. So irrespective of any language, not only English, maybe Hindi, maybe Tamil, maybe Malayalam, anything, you will see that these 4 skills work. IELTS program is based on that. IELTS program is preparing you to cater all kind of linguistic difficulties in a foreign land. Once you land there, their accent changes. The kind of English you are listening from me, that is Indian English. That's fine. Of course, it is understood everywhere, all across. This is BBC English. But somewhere you will have to give stress on listening, that what is being spoken. They are the native speakers. So, to do that practice, we'll be working in IELTS program. Then after, speaking. So, we would be talking about, say, a number of words, but some words which are locally spoken. Jargons that we will be discussing. Then after, we will be doing some, say, kind of testing. A recording would be played and you will be understanding what is being spoken. And then after, you have to give some answers. Some sheets would be there and then multiple choice questions are there and you will be doing that. So after listening the cassette, you would be doing. So this is your listening. How much you understand from that? What is your comprehension on that piece? That would be, assessed. Then after we will see that you're speaking. For that, say, 10 minutes interview would be there in which you will have to speak about yourself. You have to talk about your town. You have to talk about your background, your parents' background, these all things. So these all things we'll be doing when we'll be doing this speaking section. So listening and speaking will come first. Then after, we will be having reading. So a piece would be given to you. You will be reading that in the given time. Time limit would be there definitely. And then after you will be attempting some questions, multiple choice questions that would be. Maybe somewhere you will have to write a little bit description also. Plus you would be having, say, some kind of letter writing. Let me tell you here, IELTS is divided into two parts. One is for academics and other is for vocation, general training program. So if you are opting to take admission in some college, at that time you would be preferred to take academic program. And if you are taking it for the say purpose of settling down in some country and for doing job, then general training program is better. So academic program is bit difficult than the general training program. So for the students who are willing to go for IELTS, means for academics, they have to work harder. And general training program is for all. Of course, you will have to write letters and these all things would be there. So it is not only multiple choice question all the time when we will be assessing your reading skills. Apart from this, you will be given a piece and then you will be making a précis of that. So reading and writing are somewhere associated with each other, because when we will be giving you something to write at the time of taking the test, you will have to read a lot. Then you will be writing. So this thing is there. Reading, writing is combined, listening, speaking is combined. This way we will be completing our course. Duration would be 2 months, 50 hours program, and you will be enjoying it. Thank you very much for your time. I'm glad that you have enough patience to listen others and listen carefully. God bless you. Thank you very much.